Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back again. So I want to take you through, yes. mm, so there's a gallery area that I'm doing of recent. So we have a cinema. We have a cinema like I think 3 to 4 screens. So that we are doing. So I think this is the number one section. This is section one. So let me just take you through the longest part of it. Uh, Let me walk you through. And as I used to say it, leveling part of surveying is very very important and critical. There are some points that setting out will not really be needed. You understand? So it's just all about leveling. Like at this point now, yeah, this is a gallery section. This is the longest part of it. So we have like 3 sections here, like 3 screens. So this, you can see this is like a demarcation. This one, this is another one here. So and here too we have another one. So here the only setting out that is needed on this part is you can see those starter bars for the threads. So once you set the starting point of the starter bars from the beginning to the end, so all things that are just needed is to monitor the levels, both the risers and the threads. Yeah, we have 450 risers with 1.2 thread, and the thread varies anyway. That's why they cut the gallery section into 3 different parts. Is it 3 or yes? That we have section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. So into 4 sections. So the threads, we have some areas that the threads are up to 1.6 here. This particular area is 1.2. So that's why we are doing everything together. Let me show you from this part. Let me take you through from here. You can see how long it is. Yeah. So only on this part we have 1.2 threads with 450 risers. Yeah. So once I'm through with the setting of the starting points. The rest is to monitor the levels of each risers and the threading. That's why I said leveling in surveying is very very important. Very very important. Let me just see if I can show you from the drawing. Yeah, leveling is very 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 important. I won't lie to you, because there are some, okay, let me say, when we get to the finishing area of any meaningful development, you understand. So sometimes total station is not really needed. Your differential GPS is not really needed for setting out. Anything setting out is not that important, you understand. So you just have to continue with leveling till you hand over the project. So yeah, I think, okay, this is screen 5, screen 4. And also when it comes to studying drawings, that one is also very very important, because on this, especially on this gallery area, it really gave me a very tough time. I won't lie to you, it gave me a tough time because the structural and the architectural engineers, so both of them, they're not coming together. They have discrepancies between the two drawings, you understand. So it really gave me a very tough time on this particular area. Yeah, but notwithstanding, once a surveyor knows what he's doing, you understand, you know how to study drawing. Yes, that's where studying of drawing comes in. So once you know how to study drawings, you'll be able to detect if there's any issue. So you raise the red flag. Okay, there is a discrepancy here. Okay, this, we have screen 3 and 2 here. Let me see if I can see screen 3 and 2. Okay, yeah, so you can see this screen 3 and this screen 2. Yeah, this is the architectural design for the gallery area. You can see the levels from each risers. You can see the levels from each risers. So this is screen 2. Both screen 2 and screen 3, they are on the same side. You can see the difference in the levels. Yeah, So studying of drawing is very, 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 very important. Very, very important. I won't lie to you. You have to study that very, very well. So make sure any drawing you have the advantage to see. Make sure you pick them up, study them very well. Yeah. So this gallery really gave me some kind of challenges, but it's really fine now as I'm coming over it. Yeah, let me go up a bit. Okay, can see. So that's why I said leveling is very, very important on this area. Now if a surveyor doesn't know what he's doing on this part of a project, that you miss the levels out, that's like it's a big problem. It's a big challenge, because they will have to break, you understand, stuff like that, which is not good for any surveyor. So that's why monitoring our level is very, very important. Is as important as you setting out the right point or right position of any structural elements. So it's very, very important. So don't forget, leveling part of surveying is very, very important. You have to be careful about it. You have to be careful. Then studying of drawings as a surveyor, you must be able to study, even as on this project now. I've been trying to look into reinforcement drawings also, so to make sure I gain some ideas on that. So studying of drawing is very, very, very important. Once you can interpret drawings, it is that one that will give you a head start of how you tackle any obstacles, how you face any challenge. Once you can study the drawing, then it will give you a easiest way to approach any method of exhibiting the work you want to do on site. So that is the gallery section. Don't worry guys, I will still keep updating you on this once we start fully, because on this part also we have a slanting beam. We have a slanting beam that will support the beam at the middle. Yeah, so let me take you guys up. Let's go up to see what is there. Yeah, you can see that is the gallery section. You're still coming to meet this floor here, but let's go up. That's not where I'm going. Let's go up. Okay. Yeah. So let's go up to our second floor. Yes, we are there. So this is our second floor. We are casting the column. We're at the column stage right now. So from grid line 1 to 7, we've completed almost all the columns, as you can see. So we are almost through with grid line 1 to 7. So we've casted some. We are curing those ones that we casted yesterday. So you can see the sacks around it. So we are curing those ones. So tomorrow we are casting another set tomorrow. So that's it guys. So as I used to say on that leveling stuff, so tomorrow I'll be doing it again here. That's the leveling. You can see those columns have not marked any level on them. There's no level on those columns. You can see, so they are still new. We just depropped it today. So tomorrow, first thing tomorrow morning, I should be transferring the levels on this floor. So I'm going to do it again for you guys, so that those that have not been able to see it in the other videos, they can see it. This, like, I'm doing it new here. I'm starting afresh. This is like a new floor, do you understand? So it's like I'm doing it all over again, so that you guys can really understand and how important level is. And always make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Then you turn on your notification bell. Once I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it. That's how I do it here. I always make sure I update my audience. I always make sure I update them with what is going on site. Yeah, so make sure you turn on your notification bell and you subscribe, so whenever I drop a new video, you will get a notification for that. So that's all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I'll be transferring the levels tomorrow. You can see they are still new, so I'll be doing that tomorrow. Yeah, so thank you. So see you guys later.